Today I'm going to demonstrate the best value vacuum suction cup on the market. And it's capable of lifting 120 kilograms. I'm Jim and welcome to the TilersTools video channel. The Bully Grip from TilersTools is a fantastic piece of kit that should be in every landscaper and tiler's toolbox. So let's see what's in the box. Now let's see what this little sucker can do. Let's see what it can lift. That's amazing! Lifting 120 kilograms. That's 1.5 the weight of me. The Bully Grip is the best vacuum suction cup as it comes with a rechargeable battery that when fully charged ought to give around 16 hours continuous use or around 48 hours of constant on-site use. And what's more, it can be recharged from your van on a USB should you forget to take it home at night. The UK CA rated Bully Grip can be used on smooth and textured impervious flags, whether porcelain or stone, but we do recommend testing the cup on any material before lifting, just to make sure that it doesn't pull the air through the material. When new, charge the battery for 8 hours before use. This is a manufacturer's recommendation. Here are some of the features of the best vacuum suction cup in our judgment. There's a simple on-off button here, a Class C charging port that is a red light while charging and a green light when fully charged. A gauge which has 2 readings. The red light is the remaining battery charge. We recommend you do not use the vacuum suction cup when the battery is less than 20%. The green light, the vacuum power. The safe operating range for this piece of equipment is between 56 and 65. The electronic brain is another amazing feature of this lifting cup. It operates automatically when the vacuum drops below the 56 mentioned earlier and cuts out when it reaches 63, maintaining a very powerful vacuum. Switch off, then press the black button to release the pressure, just here. Remove the vacuum suction cup. The pad is designed to aid and maintain effective lifting. When storing, it's very important that you clean and protect with the cover supplied. When in use, ensure the flag is clean and dry. Also that there is no film on the surface of the tile, as this will impede the lifting power. The flags larger than 600 by 600, we recommend using 2 vacuum suction cups, placed equal distances from the sides of the flag. For heavy flags, use multiple bully grips and operate with a colleague for safety. And please make sure that you adhere to the health and safety rules and guidelines when lifting heavy flags to avoid personal injury. The bully grip is the best vacuum suction cup we have tried. It's very powerful and great value, costing less than half of some of the other suction cups on the market. To buy the best suction cup on the market, head over to our website www.TilersTools.co.uk, where we will offer you a further discount if you buy 2 vacuum suction cups at the same time. And if you've liked this video, please press and subscribe the button just below and consider opening an account with us for special offers, news and features that may come your way later on.